So today we will be working on another TV remote, and this brand is a TCL brand. Alright, the complaint I get, it is not working, and I'm going to show you why is that. The pull here, if you notice how dirty and corroded the contacts are. Alright, and with this condition you will not have the remote. Don't care how good the battery is, you will not get this remote working. Alright, so in this case we're going to prise this side, alright, along this side, and try to open it up to expose it more so you can see it. Alright, so stay tuned for that. So remember, I'm going to prise right here and lift this end off. Alright, so that's been open. Alright, so I'm going to show you the condition of the buttons. See how dirty it is. See how dirty it is. Alright, and take my time and remove. Hold on. Alright, pull it up closer. This is the condition of it. Alright, and you see how this is looked. So I'm going to clean it. I get some alcohol done to it and see what's going to happen. Alright, so as I said, I'm going to do some cleaning, spray some alcohol, try to use some sandpaper to remove the rust. Alright, so stay tuned for that. So guys, you can see it's looking pretty, coming on pretty good. So I'm cleaning it up. And then I'm going to use some alcohol and clean it off. Alright, taking my time. Alright, so I'm going to finish it up and let you see it, and then I'm going to move on to this one as well. Alright, clean up here by using the sandpaper, and it's going to look as new as like this one. Alright, alright, you can see this is cleaned up. Alright, same thing for this. Need to dry out these water spots. Same thing for this, clean. Alright, this look better now than how it was before. So now I'm going to move on to this and have it cleaned up and then test it. Alright, as you can see, it is being cleaned. I checked the points here already. From here to here I get a good continuity. Alright, so now I'm going to put it together now to let you see it. Alright, put that in. As you can see, take my time now. Alright, then now we're going to install, put in the buttons now. Make sure them go into their respective place. Alright, and now we're going to properly seal, battery in, see it, fully function. So that light, guys, that's a function remote. So if you guys like this fix, please like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Alright, and ensure you click that bell notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you guys will be notified right away. Alright, so thanks for watching again. Please do subscribe.